Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show you the shadow technique. For that we are using this Faber-Castell drawing pencil. So let's start. First I'll take this 2B pencil and I have made this 4 boxes. There are 4 tones of shadow. The first one will keep it as it is. This is highlighted part. The second one we are going to do with 2B pencil. This way, this is mid-tone, and third one is we'll take 4B pencil and it will be darker than the second one. So this is darker than the second one. This is cast shadow. Now we'll take 6B pencil and the fourth one will be the most darker. See this 4-tone highlighted part, mid-tone, cast shadow, and this is the core shadow. Now I'll show you how it works in the objects. First I'll take this circle. Now from here the light comes. So this will be the highlighted part. And then come the mid-tone, then cast shadow. Cast shadow is the shadow and the core shadow will come here. So first we'll use this 6B pencil. This way, just put a pressure and then light pressure. Then we'll take this 4B pencil, or sorry 2B pencil for mid-tone. So just mix it. This we want. This manner, and just with the help of your finger just merge little bit this way. So this is it. I'll show you, I'll give you the number. The first one is here. This is mid-tone, second, then will come the core shadow, and now will come the cast shadow. This is 3 that we are using 4B pencil. Will come in this way. This 2B and make it a little bit darker. See, now this is the third. The order comes in 1, 2, 4, 3. 1, 2, 4, 3. So this is it. Now see, I'm telling you again, this is highlighted. This mid-tone is from 2B pencil. Cast shadow is from 4B pencil. And core shadow is from 6B pencil. Now I'll show you in triangle. First we'll draw a triangle this way, this way. Now light comes from here, so this will be your lighted part, and your mid-tone will be this here, little bit. Just smooth out the edges. This is your mid-tone. Then we'll take 4B pencils, and this will be a core shadow, and this will be a cast shadow. We'll make your shadow. So this is a cast shadow. Now this will be the darker, the core shadow. See this? Now just merge this with the help of your finger, just little bit. See this. So here also the same order. This is the first one, this is the second mid-tone, this is the cast shadow, and this is the fourth. So 1, 2, 4 and 3. Now I'll show you in square, cube. I'm showing you in cube. This will be shadow. So the light here, so this will be the 1, this will be 2, this will be 4, and this will be 3. So we'll complete it. So here it is. See, I have completed this, and just remember 1, 2, 4, 3. That is highlight, mid-tone, core shadow and cast shadow. You will never go wrong in the shadow. I hope this video is very helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon for notification of the new and interesting videos. Till then, happy Arty and Crafty. Thank you.